My oil pump next. So got a new chain. The old one is a little bit, you can see it's a bit elongated where the holes are. There's a bit of play. That's probably a little bit stretched. That's similar though, but anyway. It's nice to have new things. So I've got a new O-ring for this. I've obviously given it a clean. This is an eBay one because the axial pump, I think it's probably termed, was worn on the old one. So this one's good. It's in limits anyway. Yeah, I need to torque that up before we go any further. I'll just put the dowel pin in, that's loose. Put the chain on, new chain, and big bolts. Wind them down. My camera overheated again, so that's why you missed all the fun of the installation. Okay, just get something in there. Put it on its max travel. I'm looking for 2 to 3.5 mil. Which from the middle bit. Five and a half. Seems really baggy. The new and the old chain, I can't get less than about 5 mil. That'll have to do. I don't know what's going on there. That's better. Tighten these up quickly. Don't like that. Have to do, I think. Why is it not tightening? So if the oil pump is causing me problems, the easiest job is turning into a nightmare. Anyway, it's shared. I've managed to drill it out, so that's lucky. So I need to get a bolt like this. Oh, I will slave it all back together. We'll just use that lower bolt for now, which is the big one. So new bolts in from the gear selector. Feels good. Right, so we're looking for 2 mil to 3.5. So I was struggling to get less than 5, but if you tighten that one up first, it kind of draws it in flat, and you go from kind of a middle point. It's pretty perfect. Yeah, spot on. Spot on. So we'll torque them up and never look at it again. Okay. Yeah, that's great.